Good morning students. Today we will do difficult words of lesson 17. Difficult words of lesson 17. The name of the lesson is The Silver Tree. The Silver Tree. Okay. We will read difficult words. Village, woman, enough, forward, visitors, carefully, surprise, replied, trouble, through, lift, heavy, magic, little, remember, river, child, poor. Again we will read it. Village, woman, enough, forward, visitors, carefully, surprise, replied, trouble, through, lift, heavy, magic, little, remember, river, child, poor. Okay. Now you will write all these difficult words in your notebook. Okay. Now we will do back exercise of lesson 17. Okay, the silver tray. Question number 1 is encircle the correct word to complete the sentences. There are two words in each sentence and you will encircle correct word. Okay. Number 1. One day Geeta went, go to the forest. Went we use in past tense, go in present tense. Okay. So one day Geeta went to the forest. We will encircle went. We will write it in past tense. If we have to write in present tense, then we will write Geeta goes to the forest. So there is no goes, there is go. So we will encircle went, past tense. She saw an old woman. She saw an old woman. This is also past tense. See present tense, saw past tense. If we will make it in present tense, then we have to write she sees, not see. So this is wrong. We will encircle saw. She saw an old woman. The old woman was trying to lift a heavy bag. Here you can encircle is or was, any word you can encircle, because we can write it in present tense or in past tense. But in this story we have read past tense only. So we will encircle past tense. Was is present tense, was past tense. The old woman was trying to lift a heavy bag. Next, Geeta helped the old woman. This is also present tense and this is past tense. So we will encircle past tense, helped, because there is help. If we make this sentence in present tense, then we have to write Geeta helps. but there is help. So this is wrong. We will encircle helped. Geeta helped the old woman. Okay. The old woman took out a silver tray. The old woman took past tense out a silver tray. Take is present tense, took past tense. If we will write it in present tense, then it should be takes. But here is take. So we will encircle took. Okay. Geeta thanked the old woman and ran home. Okay, Geeta thanked, past tense, thank, present tense. If we will write in present tense, then we have to write Geeta thanks. But there is no thanks, so we will encircle thanked. And ran home. Run present tense, ran past tense. If we write in present tense, then it should be runs. Geeta runs home. But there is no runs, so we will encircle ran. All the sentences are in past tense. Okay, so read it. Went, past tense, go, present tense. See, present tense, saw, past tense. Is, present tense, was, past tense. Help, present tense, helped, past tense. Take, present tense, took, past tense. Thanked, past tense, thank, present tense. Run, present tense, ran, past tense. Okay. Now these are question answers. We will do later on. Now question number 3. Find words from the story which end with ed. We have to write the words here which end with ed. Okay. So you have read which words in this lesson? Yes, first of all we read lived, ed, okay, and you have read it here helped, okay, and thanked, yes, very good, thanked. And you tell me next word. Yes, very good, worked, okay. And you can tell one more word. Looked, very good, looked. Okay, these are the words which end with ed. Okay, lived, helped, thanked, worked, looked. Okay, now we will write the words which end with ing. Okay, yes, very good, trying. The old woman was trying to lift a very heavy bag. Yes, cooking, very nice, cooking. Yes, saying. And very good, flowing. Okay, these are the words which end with ing. Trying, cooking, saying, flowing. Okay, now next question is make sentences. We will do with question answers. Okay, now next question is find the opposites of the following words from the story. Okay, the answers are from the story. So first we will read these words. Drop, less, rich, light, start. Okay, So now we will write their opposites. What is the opposite of drop? Drop means girana. Drop. And owl drops the jam in the park. है ना? Now, what is the opposite of drop? Lift. Lift. The old woman was trying to lift the heavy bag. Okay? Drop, lift. Less. ये तो आता है आप सबको. More. Less, more. Rich. Very good. This is also very easy. Poor. Rich, poor. Light. Light means halka. है ना? Cotton is light. Heavy. Very nice. Very nice. And last is start. Start. Start your paper. Stop. Very good. Now stop your paper. Time is over. Now we will read it again. Okay? Drop, lift, less, more, rich, poor, light, heavy, start, stop. Okay? Now you will write all these questions in your book and you will learn it. Okay? Thank you.